Okay, so now that we've done all of that review, let's get after it and write our five senses poems. You can see on the screen we have three examples. All right, the first one I'm going to read with you guys. It's right here. It's called Popcorn. And the examples are all going to follow the hear, smell, see, feel, taste, okay, pattern. So here we go, popcorn. I hear the pop, pop, pop. I smell something buttery. I see something white. I feel something soft. I taste something salty. What could it be? It's popcorn. Now let's look at this one down here. Chicken noodle soup. I hear slurping. I smell chicken. I see yellow broth. I feel slippery noodles. I taste salty vegetables. What could it be? It's chicken noodle soup. Now here is one that I wrote this morning. Okay, it's titled Coffee. I hear a splash of cream. I smell roasted beans. I see caramel swirls. I feel warmth. I taste peaceful perfection. What could it be? It's coffee. So you can see all of those poems, those three examples there, used hear, smell, see, feel, and taste in their poem. Your task is for you to come up with a new poem using your five senses. It can be about food, or it can be about any other object, like basketball or football or drawing or dancing, anything else. Okay.